What up, YouTube? It's OC. Nope, it's hysepal. It's hysepal. And today, I'm trying something new. I played it a couple times in my videos, but I play the saxophone, if you didn't know that. And I was thinking, I want to keep in practice with the saxophone. I need a good incentive to do so. And I thought, I like playing songs. Most people who have instruments do. So, I was wondering, what if I started a YouTube series where I try to play songs that I like? And now this may seem like, kind of boring. Why would you just make a video of you learning a song? That's not exactly the entire thing. What I'm going to be doing is playing songs that is trying to play the song without any sheet music. So I'll be going through each part of the song, not only trying to figure out the notes, but the timing, like the tempo and the scale that they're using. And they might not even, chances are they're not using a saxophone for the song. So even if there was stuff online, not only is it not my property, but I'd also just have to transpose it to saxophone. And that'd be a bit weird and difficult, especially for guitar chords and stuff like that. So, I'm just gonna be trying it out and seeing how this goes. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, so the song that I'm going to be trying to learn throughout the course of this video is the song Life Will Change, the instrumental version from Persona 5. I haven't played the game. I was thinking maybe I'll play it. If you want me to play it and maybe make a video of me playing it, say something down in the comments. But I will be trying to learn the instrumental version of Persona 5, Life Will Change. Should be fun. Now, to make this easier, I'm going to have to lower the playback speed so I can hear each note individually. Yeah, it's just a half step up. So it's oh, alright. Alright. It's kind of weird because at first I thought it was just GGA, but instead it's G sharp and then A sharp or B flat. So instead of it's alright, so is it Alright, so you have that beginning part down, I think. So it starts off like... See what I can do so far. Alright. That's not sounding the worst. That is not sounding the worst. Alright. Get this time to move on a bit from that part. Advance a little further. Alright, so there's like this little background, so it's like... Right. So the next part is now. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, we'll see what it sounds like. Bum bum ba bum bum bum. Boom 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 boom. Boom 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 boom. Alright. Bum bum boom 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 boom. Bro, guys, I think we just did it. I think it repeats twice. So I just figured out the whole thing. So now all I have to do now is just practice that over and over again, and then I got the whole thing down. This is pretty fun. Good way to keep me invested into playing my instrument. If you want me to release like a full version of this, like just like with a backing track and me playing my saxophone for the vocals instead, let me know in the comments if you just want me to release like a full saxophone cover for this. So I'll do that. Alright. Now, thanks for watching if you made it to the end. I don't know how long it ended up being because I most definitely had to cut a lot of this out. It's still probably going to get claimed, and understandably so. I've been playing this, which isn't mine, so it's most likely going to be claimed or whatever, but I'm going to cut out as much of it as I can, and just because I'm not like trying to do this to like just like play their thing and then get credit off of what other people did, but like this was fun. If you want to see more of this, just let me know in the comments. maybe suggest other songs you might want to see me try and figure out how to do. This one was kind of easy because I like this song, so I've played it over and over again. I've listened to it. So, yeah. Alright. So, guess that's it. See ya.